My first video on Informatica learning. In this video, I'll just let you know that how to remove hash symbol from the target flat file. We have seen that whenever we have a target as a flat file, the first row which actually have a column name information. So at the beginning, we have a hash symbol which is actually not required and it's added through the Informatica process. So how to remove the hash symbol? So does Informatica provide any solutions? So yes, it's provided. So what is the solution? So you have to just open the session. In a session there is a configuration object tab are there. Under the configuration object you will see there is a custom property. So just go to the custom property. You will see at the right, just click in a down this button, and the new window will open, and here the new button you will click. So a new row will be created here. So there is attribute and value. So you have to just provide some value under the attribute and under the value. So what is the value to be added? So here it is. Actually you have to just add it, remove output header hash, and the value should be yes. So whenever you will give this value and output is a flat file, so what will happen, the hash symbol at the beginning will be automatically removed. So this will look like custom property remove output header hash equal to yes. This will be at the final, it will show under the session property. So here it is. Let's see the same thing through the example. So we have one employee as a source. Let's create one Informatica job. What we will do, we have a target as a flat file. So how to do that one? We have a source. So let's write the mapping name, remove hash flat file. Okay, after that let's bring one expression transformations. All the column from the source qualifier, bring it here, and from the and after that there is a target table. So what I will do, there are two options. Either you have a target table, just bring it, drag it here, or from the expression transformation, in the body of the expression transform, just do the right click and you will see one options, create and add the target table. So what we'll do, whatever the column label, column information are there in a expression transformation, same will be appear in a target table. So you will see the all columns. So what you will do, just add it all the column. So the name is target table is something different. So you can, what you do, just rename it. Go to the target, bring it here. Here you will see database type is a Oracle. So just change it to the flat file because our target is a flat file. So here delimiter, everything is fine. Okay, and the name, just write it like flat file employee. Yeah, this is, and just change it here as well. Okay, yeah, all done. Let's save it. You just control and S, it will just save the mapping and then validate as well. So everything looks good. Arrange all, and now just create a workflow. How to create? Just right click and the last option, generate workflow. It will create a session as well as workflow. So you can see there are three options. Reusable session will be created. So whether the session you want to be reusable or non reusable, so in that case you just write it, it will just create a session, not a workflow. Just create a session and session will be reusable. Here the second option, workflow with reusable session, it will create both, means workflow as well as session which will be a reusable. So workflow with non reusable. So there are three options. So what I'll do, I'll just click on a middle one, workflow with reusable sessions. So let's click and next, and the last two things you can see, specify the prefix of workflow name. So it will just add a prefix workflow, and for the session it will be S, it will be added. So you don't have to do anything, better not to touch anything here, and everything looks fine. Everything looks fine here. You can see the name of the workflow and you can see the name of the session name. Yeah, looks good, and click next. Generate successfully and finish. Now what you will do, just go to the workflow manager. So here just refresh the folder Okay, let's just disconnect. Okay, now you will see there is a session with the same name. Session got created, and similar there is a workflow got created. So let's yeah, here it is. You can see the name of the workflow remove has, and session name. So what I'll do, just bring it here, this workflow, double click, and just check the source and target property. So it's a Oracle source, so it's a database connectivity, so that is fine. And this is the flat file. So what is the target location? So you can see, so there are a few things you need to just consider. The name of the file, so here is the output file name. So just you can just change it like as per your wish, like CSV. It's a, and whether you want to take a header or not. So if you want to take output as a output field name, so header like the name of the column name, so just click it. So these are the two things you just need to check, and just click on apply, and that's it. Let's open the monitor. Here it is. Okay, now run the workflow, start workflow. So let's, you will see, yeah, it is running now. Source and target count, yeah, we can see session got succeeded, and the total number of source count is 107, and 107 record is also created in a flat file. So you can see what is the location got created through the session log as well. So if you want to check, so just bring it here, and somewhere you will see the location. So here it is, the target file. So you can get the name of the, it's under the C drive, Informatica infostate, and this is the name of the file. So same location, if I want to go, let's jump into the target file. Yeah, here it is. So I can see the file is got created. So let's open in a notepad plus plus. Yeah, you can see at the beginning there is a hash symbol. So actually this is not required, because for there are further process are there. So in a further process you don't need this hash symbol. It's actually added through the Informatica process. You don't need. So how to remove that one? So now let's jump into the session configuration object. There is a custom property option is there. So just click here. So there is no row. Just click here. It will just add one row. So now in this section just write the same thing, like remove header, remove output header hash. So just copy paste it here, and the value should be yes. Okay, now okay, so this will look like this one. Now apply and okay, and save it. Okay, now run the job again, start workflow. Yeah. Okay, it's got succeeded in within a 2 second. Okay, it got succeeded. Let's check the our target. Yeah, here is the target. Let's open it in a notepad plus plus. Okay, here it is. Yeah, I can see that the output, there is a no hash symbol, it's got removed. So this is the same thing which is into the table label. So in a table, here is the employee table. So you can see this is the data, and the first row is a column. Same set of information is coming into the CSV file. So this is important, most frequently came into whenever you have a flat file as a output. I hope this give you a good learning to you.